Welcome to the Find and Replace How-To video. ePrime features the ability to find and replace words or wildcards in script. To do this, open any inline object or ePrime script window. Then press either Ctrl F or Ctrl H. This brings up the Find and Replace window. On the Find and Replace window, you will notice a few different options. The first and most important are the actions. As you can see, there are 3 different actions: Find, Replace, and Mark. Find simply highlights a particular word or phrase in a document. Replace allows you to substitute one word or phrase for another. Mark allows you to mark exactly where you found something in script. For example, if you feel you are having a problem with an if-then statement, but you are not sure which one, you can type if and set it to mark every instance of the word if. This makes debugging inline objects a lot easier. For each of these 3 actions, there are 2 different types of searches you can perform. Checking the Use checkbox allows you to pick which one of these 2 searches you wish to perform. You can either search using a regular expression, which is the most common method for searching. This will search for exactly what you type into the search bar. You can also search using wildcards for more flexibility in searching. With wildcard box, you can enter wildcard characters. For example, if I search S*T, I will return set, string hit, slide object, and basically anything that begins with an S and ends with a T. If I were to search S?T, this will return all instances with only one letter in between the S and T. So, set, and as you can see here, a word that ends in S and begins in T. These are just an example of the commonly used wildcards. A more comprehensive list can be found on the Microsoft Help Index. There are also several different search options available to you. By changing the Look In drop-down box, you can search the current script window, the current selection, or all script windows. These options are fairly self-explanatory. The current script window option searches the selected open script window. The current selection searches anything that may be highlighted within the script window. And all script windows searches all script windows. Notice at the bottom you have the option to search one instance at a time using the Next button, or every instance at a time using the All button. The All button becomes important when using Mark and Replace. Instead of marking each instance individually, you can mark every instance at the same time. The same thing is true for Replace. This Find and Replace window is also available for the Package File Editor program. It is still open by pressing Ctrl and F or Ctrl and H, and retains all of the same functionalities as the Find and Replace window in eStudio. With the package file program, instead of searching inline scripts and full scripts, here you search different methods. This concludes the Find and Replace How-To video.